Hey guys, Justin Johnson, MarineMax in St. Pete. Today I bring you the privilege of seeing a very fresh trade-in that we have, a 2021 Sea Ray 310 SLX Outboard. 300 V8s, full sea deck on the swim platform, the great stern seating here with flip-up backrest for you and your guests. Tons and tons of storage underneath here. Very spacious walkthrough as we get into the cockpit of the boat. Plenty of seating. Again, yacht certified vessel. Seating under every single one of these cushions, or storage, I'm sorry. We have a wet bar equipped on this boat. You can do a grill aftermarket if you would like. Convenient sink right next to that, as well as our refrigerator. As we can see, the infinity woven vinyl flooring is already installed for you. The boat does have a joystick, twin Simrad displays, just over 300 hours on this boat, so it's not even broken in yet. Hardtop with the sunshade. As we work our way to the bow, it's massive. We have two very comfortable loungers, storage under both of these, access to our windlass and our spotlight. You have to come check this out. It's available. It is a used 2021 310 SLX. We look forward to seeing you.